Hello, today I'm going to show you how to update your Garmin Extend 2X Solar. So, to do this, you need to go to the settings by pressing menu app button for about 2 seconds. And now you need to go down to the system settings. As you can see, press the GPS button to go in. Now you need to go down to the settings that is called software update. You go in and you need to set the auto update on the on. And now every time that your phone is going to be connected to the Garmin, you are going to get the most up-to-date software available. Usually it is going to happen in the night when you are not using the Garmin. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Bye.